Dress-Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cute fox drinking a cup of hot cocoa to celebrate fall. So let's get started. To draw this cute fox that you cuties picked for me to draw, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So we're going to come right here and draw a circle. And come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. Now I have my circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now the eyes in, let's come above each eye. We're just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. And then in between the eyes, come down a little bit, say about right here, and we're going to draw the nose. So about right here, just going to draw a soft curve, round off the sides, and just bring it in towards the center and connect. And I'm just going to give it a little highlight right here and then shade everything else in. There. And now we have this nose. Let's come below this nose about right here in the center. And I'm just going to draw 2 curves coming out on both sides. And cap it off. Then from there we're going to draw a very high V from this nose. So let's come right about here. And we're going to go up over the eye to create this nose for our fox that makes it very unique. So we're going to go up nice and high over the eye, about right here, and come down. So same thing here. So it all comes from this nose. Try to match the other side. And I'll just drag this point across, approximate, same height. And bring it down. There. So we have the beginning of the nose area, and then we're just going to bring this out towards kind of like the center of this eye. So come down, and about right here, we're going to start to bring it in. So same thing here, kind of like the center of the eye area, and then start to bring it in. So we're going to bring it towards the bottom right here. Let's bring this down. And curve. Same thing over here. There, so we're just creating this shape around the eye. Then from there, we're going to come back to this area, and it's going to be nice and thin about right here. Just going to thicken that up and go up. So this is going to start to be the head. And we're going to go up towards the top, our center, about right here. Just take a look how high to bring it up. So let's say about right here. And now I'm going to come back down and draw the same thing on the other side. So just going to follow that curve we made, and then it's going to be a little bit thinner as we come down here. There. Okay, I think like the hardest part is done. Just getting the shape in. Sorry for all the jagged lines. I should make sure I get everything in first. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the ears so we know for sure it's a fox, right? Nice, tall, big ears. So say about here, I'm just gonna come about nice and high, about right here, and draw these big fox ears. Round off the tip, bring it down to about right here. And then we're gonna come right about here and draw a curve, and this side's gonna be thinner. And let's draw the same thing on the other side. So I'm just gonna drag some points across so that I'm approximately the same. So let's go ahead, go up, drag this point across about right here. Just because I'm drawing big, it just helps me to draw these, to drag points across, just so make sure it's approximately the same on the other side. So same thing here. This part is going to be thicker and then thinner. There. So now we have the fox's head in, we're going to come about right here. The reason I stopped right here is because we're going to go ahead and draw a scarf. So I'm just going to pop in this shallow curve to connect right here to cut off the face right there. And then in this area, I'm going to go ahead and pop in a wobble and a wobble. So this is the scarf. So actually you can taper this in. Makes more sense. There, just taper that in. And so then now that we have where the scarf is going to start, we're not going to finish the scarf yet because we have to draw, let's see here, let's bring this down actually. I'm going to bring in our scarf, nice thick scarf, and then about right here is where I'm going to pop in the hands. So let's come about right here. Very simple hands. We're just going to give it some space for our cup of hot cocoa. So come about right here. And we're just going to draw a curve that comes down. So same thing here, just two hands, leaving the center open. And out. Just a little bit thicker right here. So that's the goal. Okay, so now that we have that, then we can go ahead and finish our scarf. Just bring it in, whatever space you have left. And then let's draw our cup of hot cocoa. So, let's see here, about right here. Just want to make sure the top of our hot cocoa cup, right here, the first layer, just those white caps, and then come across for our second layer, and across, and then bring down the cup. Coming through. And about right here, just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. There, so hopefully that looks like a cup of hot cocoa. Or whatever you want to be drinking, right? Just celebrate fall. And before I forget, I'm going to add a heart right here. And then surround it with a circle. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we can finish our fox. So now that we have this in here, we're going to come in about right here and draw the body. Okay, so we're going to angle this out. Let's bring this out on both sides. And about right here, we're going to come out and then bring it in. So this is just a very simplified way. Just draw the legs kind of like it's sitting, but we want to bring this in right here. So we want this sharper angle coming in. And then about right there, I'm going to stop and draw a little curve right here for the foot. And same thing here. And whatever space, go ahead and connect, and then in between, just going to finish it up. There. And then let's go ahead right here where the hand is. We're just going to continue this curve down to draw the tummy area. All the way towards the bottom and connect. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw the tail of our scarf. So I'm just going to pop it out about right here and here. And connect, and then you can draw those little tassels on the end. From there, we have to draw the tail, right? Because that's very important for this fox. So right about here, we're going to go ahead and draw the tail. Let's bring this down, curve, all the way. Imagine it coming through. And about right here, we're just going to taper it in. And round off this little tip. Bring it down all the way back into that space. And then right here, we're just going to wobble our way across to separate the white from the orange of the tail. And hopefully I haven't forgot anything. And let's see here, that is pretty much it. We're going to add a heart right here on the scarf, of course, to make it my so cute fox. And of course, before I go, I just realized I forgot to break off these hands right here. So let's come right here and draw a curve and then 2 little lines. I bet you were screaming at me for forgetting that. And let's see here, make this a little bit more angular rather than so round. I think that looks a little bit better. And hopefully that's it. I hope I haven't forgotten anything this time, but I really hope I helped you draw this cute fox fun and easy today. And thank you, cuties, for helping me vote that you wanted me to draw a fox holding a cup of hot cocoa on my YouTube community page, on my channel on the YouTube community page. Thanks so much for watching. And if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.